Banana, banana! Yeah, I like them too. In fact, I'll copy you on that one. Banana, banana, banana. Beep, beep, beep.
Boots, I don't think Rorito knows how to eat a banana.
What? You don't know how to eat a banana? Well, you come to the right monkey. First, you gotta peel it like this.
Ooh!
Uh-oh. That sounds like Swiper the fox. He's always trying to swipe our stuff.
No! Not the banana!
Not the banana!
Swiper! We've got to stop him. Hold out your hand like this.
Copy us, Laredo.
Now say, Swiper no swiping.
Swiper no swiping.
Swiper no swiping. Swiper no swiping.
Oh, man!
Oh, man!
Hey!
Hey!
That's my line!
That's my line!
Oh, man!
Aw, Lorito, you helped us stop Swiper.
And now it's banana time! Banana time! Like this, Laredo. Banana, na, 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 na.
I think he likes bananas as much as you do, Boots. Vamos! Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake him up, up, the big red chicken. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake him up, up, the big red chicken. Wake up!
He's too far ahead of us. How are we gonna catch up?
Mira, Tico's speedboat is super fast. We'll catch up in no time. Tico! Tico!
Tickle.
Hola, Tico.
Hola, Dora. Hola, Boots. Suban a bordo. Can Tickle drive us super fast and catch up to the big red chicken?
¿Nos ayudas a alcanzar al Big Red Chicken?
Claro que sí. That sounded like a... Tickle.
Uh-oh, there are two paths.
But which path did the big red chicken take?
We've got to help Tico choose the right path. Is he on the path that's rojo or azul? Azul!
Azul.
Whoa! And now is the Big Red Chicken on the path that's rojo or azul? Rojo! Buenísimo! You picked the right paths. And there's the Big Red Chicken.
Look, the big red chicken is floating past Benny.
Benny, the Big Red Chicken is headed to the waterfall.
Give us a super duper mega splash.
Good splash, Benny.
That's gotta wake him up.
Let's check backpack for something that can help us fan away the fog. Say backpack. Backpack, mochila, I've always got your back.
Hola! Thought I need something to fan away the fog. Here goes. Rubber chickens, bowling balls, hand fans. What can we use? Yeah, the hand fans.
Excelente. Gracias, mochila.
I got your back. Yum, yum, yum. Delicioso.
Aquí estoy.
He's over there.
Fan with us.
Fan, fan, fan. I think I see him.
We
picture. Say map snap. Map snap. Huh? That's not the Quickatoo.
Aquí estoy.
Now he's over there.
Fan, 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 fan.
Say map snap. A frog with flowers?
Thank you.
Aquí estoy.
Say map snap. Swiper?
Nice fans!
We've got to stop him. Say, Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping.
Oh!
Aquí estoy.
Oh, man!
Aquí estoy.
Hola, soy Dora.
And I'm Boots. I spy with my little eye a bird, a turtle, a frog. I think they're all looking for their babies.
No worries, we'll help them. ¡Vamos!
We're gonna find the missing baby animals.
That's what we're doing today. Hey! Eso haremos hoy. Let's check the baby animals with this animal guide. First, the baby bird.
If I were a baby bird who could fly, I'd go to a yummy fruit tree.
Great idea, Boots. Let's look at trees with our spyglass. Will you help us? If you see a bird, say pájaro.
Pájaro! Pájaro!
Excelente. Baby bird, check. Next, la tortuga. Turtles are great swimmers. Let's check the beach. Will you help us? If you spot a turtle, say tortuga.
Tortuga! Tortuga! Baby bird and baby turtle, checked. Now we only have to find the baby frog. But where?
Frogs love to live near a pond where they can jump on plants.
To the pond.
Ooh. It's mine!
Oh no, it's Swiper.
We need your help to stop Swiper. Put out your hand and say, Swiper, no swiping. Say it with us. Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping. Swiper, no swiping.
Oh, man!
Flash time! Flash time!
They were almost asleep.
So close.
Hi, Benny. We're trying to get these baby cocodrilos to go to sleep.
Ay, whoopsie! A dormir. Hey there, you cuddly croc. Humpy.
Aw, Maiden. That cocodrilito is getting super cozy.
And sleepy.
He loves you, Benny. Try rocking him to sleep.
A dormir, little buddy. It worked.
That's some super snuggling, Benny.
Do you think you can hold all three of them? I can try. Tickly tails. Whoa, that can't be good. Don't laugh too loud, Benny. I'll be okay, as long as they don't tickle behind my ear. Dora, what do we do?
Well, the baby crocs liked cuddling with Benny. So maybe Backpack has something soft and cuddly that'll help them fall asleep. Say Backpack.
Gotta have something soft and cuddly in here. Let's see.
Cactus wearing sunglasses, a bowling ball, a blankie.
Which one of these is soft and cuddly?
A blankie!
Right, a blankie. Gracias, backpack.
Yum, yum, yum. Delicioso.
A dormir, cocodrilos. We're off into the naughty forest to visit Tico's home.
Yeah!
We've got a brand new shirt for him. Together off we go. A boy that guayabera makes boots look good. Really, really good. Juntos together off we go. With a guayabera for Tico. Juntos together off we go. With a guayabera for Tico. Let's go!
It's so muddy. The ground's real squishy.
Uh-huh. These are some muddy mud puddles.
We better walk carefully. I don't want to get my shirt, I mean Tico's shirt dirty.
Salt, 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 salt.
Uh-oh. Those giant toads are jumping and splashing everywhere.
And they're splashing this way. The guayabera! How am I going to keep it clean?
Great idea, Guayabera. I'll protect you, Boots.
Salt, 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 salt.
Pussin'.
Salt, salt, salt.
What's happening? I told them to stop.
No, Boots. You said fasten, which is come on through.
Whoa!
Fasten is stop. Fasten, por favor.
Ay, lo siento.
All good. The shirt's still nice and clean.
¡Qué linda guayabera!
Gracias.
Adiós.
Adios!
Phew. I better wrap this guayabera up before anything happens to it.
That's a great-looking gift, Boots. All that's missing is a nice ribbon. Ooh, perfecto. Now let's get this to Tico! Isn't Isa's garden so nice and calm?
Yep. Nothing but the sound of the birds chirping and a watermelon rolling by.
Whoa! Looks like Chompy the plant is playing with it.
Hi, Dora. Hi, Boots. What brings you to my garden?
Hi, Isa. Well, we wanted to make agua fresca with our watermelons.
But we accidentally ate it all up.
Chomp, chomp.
Look out!
Hola, Chompy. Are you pretending to bowl?
Chomp, chomp.
How would you like a new bowling ball? An even better bowling ball.
What do you say, Chompy?
Chomp, chomp.
Yes, he's in. All right. What would make a good bowling ball for Chompy?
What about that banana up in the tree?
Well, the banana won't roll because it's not round. There's gotta be something that will work. A cantaloupe! Cantaloupes are round,
So they can roll.
and they're pretty big.
Big enough to knock down whatever we use as bowling pins.
Yep, like those watering cans. Let's bring them over and the cantaloupe too. You can help us lift them up. Reach down and lift.
Dora! Boots! You're back!
These watering cans will make great bowling pins to knock down.
Yep, and this cantaloupe can be your new bowling ball. We hope you like it.
Chomp.
Right! He knocked them all down!
High five!
Chomp, chomp.
Bye, Dora! Bye, Boots! bang on the bongo? Yeah, we need to dance on the bongos to get all the way to the top. Dance with us.
A bing bang on the bongo. A bing bang on the bongo. Bing bang on the bongo. Bing bang on the bongo. Baila, baila, dance on the bongos, take us to the top. Baila, baila, dance on the bongos, take us to the top. Everyone dance, dance, dance. Keep moving to the beat. Baila, baila, baila. Take us to the top.
Woohoo! Increíble! Miren!
The whistle wazzle woo is coming from that bush.
That's a kazoo bush. And I think I know what's causing the sound. Are you sure that's a good idea, Dora?
It's really loud. I can't look.
Don't worry. The whizzle wazzle woo is just the big red chicken.
Big red chicken?
The big red chicken snoring is making the kazoo bush go whizzle wazzle woo.
It's quite the snorkestra.
I can't believe we were scared of a snoring chicken. And look what I found.
Our instruments! Yay, Dora! My trumpet!
My cymbals!
My accordion! Gracias!
Boy, this hill is getting hotter. And scalier. And dragonier.
Hey! Get off my back!
Whoa! Boy, that dragon sure is grumpy.
Of course I'm grumpy. It's so hot out.
We know, but we need to get up there.
But I need to cool down.
If we cool you down, can you let us pass?
If you can cool me down, I'll lift you up there myself.
Cool.
Let's check backpack for something to cool down the dragon. Say backpack. Backpack, mochila, I've always got your back. Uh-oh, we need something to cool down the dragon quick. Here goes. Will a disco ball cool down the dragon? No, he needs to cool down, not Buggy Town. How about a hand fan? The hand fan, yeah! Gracias, mochila. I've got your back. Yum, 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 delicioso. Help us cool down the dragon.
Yes, please.
Flap your arms and say, fan, fan, fan the dragon. Fan, fan, fan the dragon. Fan, fan, fan the dragon.
Oh,
Fan, fan, fan the dragon. Fan, fan, fan the dragon.
oh, that cooled me down. Now I'll lift you up.
Woohoo! Great fanning. Sunny Sands, here we come.
Gracias, Dora. If you ever need help from a dragon, you know where to find me.
Miren! There's the crystal cave!
It's just across that bridge.
What are we waiting for? Nothing can stop us now. Whoa! Oof. Almost nothing.
Boots.
It's okay. I can hold on.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Whoa!
It's the tickle fish.
Why are they called it?
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Oh, that's why.
I can't hold on. Too many tickle fish.
We need to save Boots. Ale, do you have enough magic to fly?
Only with your help.
Let's help Ale fly. Say, vuela. Vuela! Oof!
De nada, amigos.
The cave is blocked.
We gotta find a way to get inside.
No se abre.
Ale, your super powerful roar can open up the way.
On it.
Whoa, it's working. Let's all roar with Ale. Roar! Louder!
The cave's open.
Great roaring. Now let's find that rainbow water. Tap your feet and dance with us. Hit it, Isa. Baila, baila, baila. It's working. Baila, baila, baila. Super bien. Quick, through the door. Thanks, Isa. Uh-oh. There are the footprints.
But where are the boots?
Look, it's the Guido fish. Let's ask them. Hola!
Hey, fishies.
Have you seen two magical mini boots come by here?
I need them so we can all sky dance.
Sky dance! Sky dance!
We saw the boots. To get to the boots that we're tapping, follow our lead and start clapping.
Let's clap along to the fish's song, and they'll show us where to go.
Ready? Places, everyone. Now it's time to have some fun. Begin.
Clap with us.
Clap up. Clap down. Clap all around. Clap all around. Clap up. Clap down. Clap all around. Clap all around. Yes.
Clap, clap, clap to the beat we play.
Clap, 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 and you'll find your way.
Clap up. Clap down.
Clap all around. Clap all around.
Yes! Gracias, Guido fish. And you too for clapping.
Buena suerte, mi gente.
Miren, we're almost at my abuela's house. Nothing can stop us now.
Whoa!
The cave!
Oh, nuts! Where did all these nuts come from?
Tickle.
Dora, we gotta get the cake back. I'm on it. Whoa! That bird is gonna make the branch break. Shoo, bird, shoo!
Shoo, bird, shoo!
Hey, don't copy me.
Hey, don't copy me.
The copycat bird's copying everything I'm doing.
The copycat bird's copying everything I'm doing.
Dora, help!
Dora, help! I know. If we flap our wings, he'll copy us and fly away. Flap your wings with me. Flap, flap, flap.
Está volando!
He's flying. Keep flapping. Flap,
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 flap, flap. It worked. Great flapping. Thanks for helping.
Gracias! You saved my abuela's cake just in time. Grandpa! Oh, watch the cake!
Now let's go take it to Abuela.
And eat it!
What are we bringing?
Tres leches!
Traemos para Abuela.
Special cake! Over the mountains
And through the lakes.
on our way to abuela. No time for a break.
Una, tres leches.
Let's go!
Tres leches.
Abuela!
Special cake. Tres leches.
doesn't, huh?
And I'm gonna swipe it.
Swiper, no! Whoa!
It's mine.
Go, Boots! I'll give you a boost!
And now for a little extra swiping power. Oh man, I hit the ballerina button. Ow!
We gotta get to it before Swiper does.
Psst, no problem. With my swipe suit, I can get up that mountain faster than you can say, Swiper, no swiping.
We'll never climb the mountain that fast. The surprise party is gonna be ruined.
We're not gonna let that happen, Boots. We can ask our balloon buddy Globo for a ride. ¿Nos podría llevar, por favor?
Yeehaw! Whoa! There's just one problem.
Giant alfajores are coming straight for us. They're yummy and dangerous.
Cookie avalanche! We have to jump!
Tell Globo to jump. Say salta. Salta.
Look! Swiper's almost at the gift!
Say salta. 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 One more. Salta.
It's finally mine! What? No matter what, I'm gonna swipe it!
There's nothing better than being friends.
Somos amigos, you can depend on that.
You can count on me.
I can count on you. You can share with me, and I can share with you. Together, you and me, wherever we go, you know we'll always be amigos. There's nothing better than being friends. We'll play together, we'll laugh and dance. There's nothing better than being friends. Being amigos, than being friends.
One elephant, un elefante con la trompa. Vamos a cantar y a todos ellos vamos a contar. Un elefante se balanceaba sobre la tela de una araña. Como veían que resistía, fueron a llamar a otro elefante. One happy elephant swinging so elegant, sitting on the web of a spider, having a blast. They thought they should ask another elephant to join them. Two elephants. Dos elefantes. Elephanteers. Listen to these chants. Count them all. Do it with your hands. Dos elefantes se balanceaban sobre la tela de una araña. Como veían que resistía, fueron a llamar a otro elefante. Two happy elephants swinging with elegance, sitting on the web of a spider, having a blast. They thought they should ask another elephant to join them. Three elephants. Tres elefantes with their trunks. They'll sing along. We'll count them all and sing this song.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to the Dora YouTube channel for new videos every week. And find more Dora on Nickelodeon.